Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by powering off and removing cables so nothing resists the motion. Once done, hold the headband at its center and position the ear cups facing outward. This reduces stress on the hinge. Make sure to locate the small hinge release areas near the band where the cups pivot. You'll apply gentle, even pressure, do not yank or twist. This protects internal wiring and keeps seals intact. By starting methodically, you set up a controlled fold rather than forcing components into misalignment. Now you perform the controlled fold. Fold one ear cup inward so it rests against the headband at roughly a 90-degree angle, keeping movement slow. Then rotate the opposite cup toward the first, aligning hinge pins and listening for subtle clicks. This alignment prevents catches. Make sure to use even pressure on both sides so the hinge shells seat together. If resistance increases, stop and realign. Forcing the mechanism risks fracturing plastic or tearing internal wires. When aligned, you should feel a secure, stable nest. Finish by placing the folded beat solo 4 into its case or pouch, making sure the headband isn't pinched. This preserves finish and cushion shape. Once stored, if a hinge sticks later, you can try a tiny amount of silicone-based lubricant applied sparingly to the pivot, not oil, and avoid contacts. When you unfold, test buttons and Bluetooth to confirm wiring remains intact. If you hear grinding or feel unusual stiffness, stop using them and have the hinge inspected. Continuing can worsen the damage and void any warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.